Hello, little explorer. Are you ready for a new adventure? Today, we are not flying to the stars. We are diving deep, deep into the blue ocean. Imagine you are inside a cozy little submarine. It is warm and safe inside. Take a deep breath and let's go down, down, down into the peaceful water. Look outside the window. The water is getting darker. It is very quiet here. But wait, do you see those lights? And down here, where the sun cannot reach, some amazing animals make their own light. Look at the jellyfish. They are glowing like blue and purple lamps. This is called bioluminescence. It's like magic, but it is science. The deep ocean is like a night sky full of stars. The little fish swim slowly, glowing in the dark. Everything is calm. The gentle waves rock our submarine like a cradle, back and forth, slowly and softly. It is time to rest now. We are safe in the deep blue sea. Good night, glowing jellyfish. Good night, little submarine. And good night to you, little explorer. Sweet dreams.